Hi there, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile data is on but can't access the internet or mobile data not working on Samsung or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to settings. Find out flight mode or airplane mode. You can also find this option on the notification bar. Turn on it for 3 seconds, then turn it off. Find out data use and make sure the data saver is off. Move back and find out mobile networks. Tap on it. Select the SIM card which is not connecting to the internet. Then tap on the network mode and select auto connect or preferred by your phone. Tap on access point name. Then reset it to default. Select this one, whatever it is showing on your phone. Now move back to the home screen and turn on the mobile data. I hope this time your problem will be fixed. Method number 2. Go to settings once again. Find out reset options. You can also find out the reset options by searching your settings search box. Tap on reset or reset settings. Then tap on reset network settings. Select your SIM and tap on the reset settings. After the reset settings completed, move back to the home screen and turn on the mobile data. I hope this time your problem will be no longer available. If your mobile data is still not connecting, then you need to make sure that you have valid mobile data into your SIM card. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider a subscription to this channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.